Hey guys, welcome to our LiteView tutorial. In this session, we will go over the many monitoring features that are available in our app. To access this information, we simply need to click on Energy Monitor on the left navigation menu. As we load into the page, we will notice a few things in the window. You will immediately be presented with a graph that shows you your total energy usage for today. And if you hover over the bar, you'll see specific amount of energy consumed at that hour. Above the graph on the left side, you can see the total energy usage in kilowatt hour. And on the right side, it is the average hourly usage in kilowatt hour. But let's say we want to get more specific. We can select a group of lights or even individual lights to see where the activities are happening. For instance, I can click on By Group and select Sales and Marketing. You can immediately see the energy consumption in that area specifically. Or in even greater detail, I can look into each individual light. I just have to select by LED and look for the LED unit number. With regards to time frame, we can choose to reveal a specific date by inputting the time. And you'll notice that the graph will immediately reflect the change and present the energy consumption on that day. If you like to review all this lighting information outside of the web, you can choose to export the file as CSV on the top right corner. So as you can see, all of the features here are pretty self-explanatory. By observing and evaluating the lighting activities, you can apply the appropriate brightness level or make use of the sensor controls. And that's a wrap for this session. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact support@meshsmart.com.